Yo, can you make a tutorial how to install the mod? Don't worry, bro. I got you. So, then you want to go down and download it. Super simple. You want to download Psych Engine. Then you want to move it to your desktop and extract the files. So, here, and then get rid of that. We don't need that. Extract it. So you click the extract button, and then just wait. And then, yes. This is a voiceover. I don't know what he's doing. He's taking forever. Yeah, it needs to download. Just a reminder, this is a voiceover. Okay, he's waiting. Okay, and then you grab this, highlight it, and then move it to your desktop. Super simple. You can get rid of those tabs. We will never need them ever again because they're absolutely useless. And yeah, you can delete that one. Link is in description. Oh my god. Why? Okay, you want to download the top one, not the bottom one, not the middle one, only the top one, the one that says fan creation 1.raw, and download. Yeah. Okay, so you got the files. You want to extract it just like the other one. This one shouldn't take as long, but depending on your device, it might take long. You want to drag it on your desktop just like that. Get rid of those ones, those tabs. We don't need it. Delete that thing. Next, open the Psych Engine one. Oh, oopsies! You do not need to open that. Close. So you want to drag the Nocturnal Protocol right into the mods folder. I repeat, into the mods folder. Double click the mods folder, and that delete the bottom two, like the readme and whatever that is called. I cannot see that from here. You want to delete that, and yeah, should be good to go and play. Why did I say that? 50. Oh my god! Why do people do this to me? Why do people do this to me? Why?